I'm Matilda Moreton. I studied ceramics here in 2000 and I've been teaching short courses since I graduated, so for 15 years, ceramics for beginners and throne ceramics. I think I've probably always liked making things, and I grew up in the country with a lot of gardening and kind of making mud pies and digging ditches and stuff when I was a kid. And so I like the feeling of muddy clay. I like the mess, I like the versatility, and I just started doing it as something quite grounding when my kids were very small, as an evening class, and then came onto the degree course here. I teach all the main hand building techniques, so I introduce it with tile making, which is giving people a chance to understand the qualities of clay, and it's about what they can learn from the materials. So I don't give them set projects. They start with tiles and then they graduate to rolling it out, slab building, and then making more 3D pieces. And then I teach them all the main decorative techniques with paper resist, stencil, slips, imprinting things, teaching people how to use the texture as well as the decorative surface. And then people sort of develop their own projects, and we talk a bit about their ideas, their creativity, their identity as creative people, and they kind of spread their wings and go off and make things, and it's always really interesting seeing, because everyone's work is totally different, what comes out of them. With most hand building techniques, they need to develop quite a lot of patience to work slowly. On the other hand, if they were throwing, they need guts and determination and strength, and they need to expect some failure. So not to expect it to be too easy, that's very challenging. So think about their own creativity, things that are important to them, what they might want to express through the clay, and then build up sketches, grab some photos and bring some 2D ideas with them at the beginning of the course. That's really helpful.